Welcome, here I've got MEIZU M5S and let me show you how to turn on and off camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and now we can find location option. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need, and this option allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. Here also important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work, location and the internet. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's move back to camera to take a photo. To see it, let's move to right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. To check its location, let's move to right corner at the bottom to more and tap to image details. And now we can find location option with full address, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.